In this next video of the lesson, Customer Service, we will understand how the complaints or grievances provide an opportunity to an agent or the company to demonstrate how much they care about the customer's interests. Here we will be covering the fundamentals of grievance redressal. A complaint is a crucial moment of truth in the customer relationship. Complaints provide us the opportunity to demonstrate how much we care for the customer's interests. If the company gives a prompt response to the complaints, there is potential to actually improve customer loyalty. The human touch is very critical in this, as the customers want to feel valued. If they do not provide the service as per customer expectations, the customers may feel cheated, and it also hurts their ego. IRDA has launched an integrated grievance management system, IGMS, which acts as a central repository of insurance grievance data and a tool for monitoring grievance redress in the industry. Policyholders can register on the system with their policy details and lodge their complaints. Complaints are then forwarded to respective insurance company. IGMS tracks complaints and the time taken for redressal. The complaints can be registered at the link given on the screen. The Consumer Protection Act was passed to provide better protection to the consumer's interest and to establish consumer councils and other authorities for the settlement of consumers' disputes. It is important to understand the definitions provided in the Act. They are service, which means service of any description which is available to potential users and includes the provision of facilities. Consumer, which means any person who buys any goods or avails any services for a consideration. Defect, which means any fault or imperfection in the quality, nature, and manner of performance which is required to be maintained under law. Complaint, which means any allegation in writing made by a complainant on unfair trade practices, defects in goods and services, etc. And consumer disputes, which means a dispute where the respondent denies and disputes the allegations contained in the complaint. Consumer disputes redressal agencies are established in each district, state, and at national level. District Forum has the jurisdiction to entertain complaints where value of the goods or services and the compensation claimed is up to Rs 20 lakhs. State Commission is a redressal authority which has original, appellate, and supervisory jurisdiction. It entertains appeals from the District Forum. It entertains disputes where goods or services and the compensation claimed exceeds Rs 20 lakhs but does not exceed Rs 100 lakhs. And National Commission, which is the final authority and has original, appellate, as well as supervisory jurisdiction. It can hear the appeals from the order passed by the State Commission. It entertains disputes where goods or services and the compensation claimed exceeds Rs 100 lakhs. All the three agencies have powers of a civil court. The procedure for filing a complaint for the three redressal agencies is very simple. There is no fee for filing a complaint or filing an appeal before any commission. The complaint can be filed by the complainant, and no advocate is necessary for this purpose. If the forum is satisfied that the goods complained against suffer from any of the defects specified in the complaint, or that any of the allegations contained in the complaint about the services are proved, the forum can issue an order directing the opposite party to do one or more of the following. First, return the charges paid by the complainant. Second, to award such amount as compensation to the consumers for any loss or injury suffered by the consumer due to negligence of the opposite party. Third, remove the defects or deficiencies in the services in question. Fourth, discontinue the unfair trade practice. And fifth, provide adequate costs to parties. The majority of consumer disputes with the three forums fall in the following main categories. First, delay in the settlement of claims. Second, non-settlement of claims. Third, repudiation of claims. Fourth, quantum of loss. And fifth, policy terms, conditions, etc. The central government, under the Powers of Insurance Act, made redressal of public grievances rules to resolve all complaints related to settlement of claim on the part of the insurance companies in a cost-effective, efficient, and impartial manner. The Ombudsman, by mutual agreement of the insured and the insurer, can act as a mediator and counselor within the terms of reference. The decision of the Ombudsman whether to accept or reject the complaint is final. Complaints can be made to the Ombudsman if the complainant had made a previous written representation to the insurance company and the insurance company had rejected the complaint. The complainant had not received any reply within 1 month after receipt of the complaint by the insurer, and the complainant is not satisfied with the reply given by the insurer. Secondly, the complaint is made within 1 year from the date of rejection by the insurance company, and the complaint is not pending in any court or consumer forum or an arbitration. There are certain duties or protocols that the Ombudsman is expected to follow. They are as follows. Recommendations should be made within 1 month of the receipt of such complaint. The copies should be sent to both the complainant and the insurance company. Recommendations have to be accepted in writing by the complainant within 15 days of receipt. A copy of acceptance letter by the insured should be sent to the insurer and his written confirmation sought within 15 days of his receiving such acceptance letter. It is important to note that if the dispute is not settled by intermediation, the Ombudsman will pass award to the insured which he thinks is fair. The awards by Ombudsman are governed by the following rules. First, the award should not be more than Rs 20 lakhs. Second, the award should be made within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt. Third, the insurer shall comply with the award and send a written intimation to the Ombudsman within 15 days. And fourth, if the insured does not intimate in writing the acceptance of such award, the insurer may not implement the award. Thank you.